Welcome back to Texit Raider. Today was a pretty cool day. We actually had a meetup here in Colorado, down in Castle Rock. Got to meet up with 4 other members of the crew. Got to share a nice dinner together. Head back over to one of the guys' houses, jam on some guitars, hear some super cool riffs. And now let's take a look at our TXC wallet. This is available on Apple, Android, and PC. 6 hours ago, I received a deposit of 618.31 TXC that was mine today. Hear the cat in the background. Taking a look at the TXC Raider mine profit, that's going to put my total count to 20,688.77 coins mined and a grand total of 25,387.27 TXC that's being held on our blockchain mint called Storage Coin. Gotta love that. If we switch over to USD, you'll see the market's doing pretty good today, sitting at 3,805.25 cents. Gotta love that. If we hop over to CoinMarketCap, you'll see the market today is sitting at 3.53 trillion, down 3.26%. The CMC 100, although it has risen in price, is at 218.18 billion, in the red, 3.06%. The altcoin index sitting a little bit over the middle at 54 out of 100, and the fear and greed straddling that yellow side, sitting at 60. Taking a look at the market today, in general, it seems that most people are doing pretty darn good. There are a few people in the red, but they're not by much, which is pretty nice. The general market today is actually going to be up 0.70%. Taking a look at our watch list here, we'll click onto Texit Coin, let that chart load up a little bit, and although this is different than some of the exchanges, today the CoinMarketCap on TXC listing is showing Texit Coin at 0.1891. That is a green plus 34.89% for the day. Let's see if we can take a look at this little chart here. You can see there was a few times where somebody had risen it up pretty high, backed it back down, and then they just walked it right back up. So some pretty good candle work. Again, on the 24-hour, 34.89, 7 days up 108, 30 days 108, 90 days 214%. Gotta love that. Self-reported market cap is 5.56 million. The self-reported circulating supply is 29.37 million TXC. Again, a max supply of 353.40 million TXC. That will be mined over a lifespan of roughly 136 years. Our rank, once again, has dropped down a little bit better, which is awesome, sitting at 5,144. 159 votes, 92% of the community is bullish. Gotta love that. 8% is bearish. And gotta love this. If you guys get over there, make sure you leave a comment, let everybody know how you're feeling about TXC. Obviously, most of the general public, investors, traders, any of those guys, they're pretty happy with it. Taking a look at DEX-TRADE here, you'll see today the coin is listing on the exchange at 0.14988, which is going to translate roughly to 15 cents. That's going to be a positive change on the 24-hour of 24.91%. The 24-hour high was 0.1498. The 24-hour low was 0.1150. 24-hour volume of TXC today, killing it, 18.1K. And the 24-hour volume of USDT was 2.7K. I gotta apologize here, my cat has jumped on the table about 17 times since we've started, and she's been graciously placed back on the floor, only to do it again. Taking a look at the charts here, you could see that little green line. That's gonna kind of be that 14 cents realm. You can see about a week ago, we were sitting right around there. We took a little bit of a dip and we're right back in the action. You can see a lot of work here. These guys are fighting it. Right now this is on the 4 hour, so you can see a lot of ups and downs, but they're holding pretty solid, so you gotta love that. Hopping over to Bitmart. Today, kind of like yesterday, trading at 0.14069, a 24-hour change of 0. Some people did have, I believe, let's see if we can zoom out, did have some buys and sellings going on there. This is on the 5-minute chart, so it's gonna look kind of crazy, to be honest. Can't get it to zoom out too well, but gotta love that. I'll actually switch it over to the hour here. You can see some mayhem ensuing there. It's a lot of crazy lines going on. The 24-hour high was 0.14996, 24-hour low of 0.14069. The 24-hour volume, gotta love this, 1.8 USDT, looking pretty darn good. If we scroll down over here, you can see over the 24-hour period, mostly been selling action. Roughly 76.71 of the buy-sell volume today was sales. However, if you look over here, buys are heavily outweighing anybody that's willing to sell at the moment. So we're looking pretty good. Looks like it's holding that 14 pretty well. Hopping over to payout.mine TXC. Of course I'm logged in, but you can view this without being logged in. We're gonna kind of switch this over here. What's the day look like? Do something a little different. Here's the hash rate over the day period. TXC shared. Let's go ahead and go over by the month. Actually, it's a week. But you could see quite a bit phenomenal numbers there when you look at all that. New miners. We'll go ahead and switch this over to the week as well. You can see a pretty steady increase, which is nice. A lot of new people are joining up, and that is wonderful. There's the use of funds chart, so you can kind of see everything that's going on inside the company. The average per miner, we'll switch that over to the week as well. You'll see that has gone down, but those rewards are actually still really nice. Gotta love that. Now everybody makes different points. Basically the mega hash system, if you got 100, 200, 300, 900, I know a person that's got 3,000. They're kicking butt. Revenue and commission here. We'll switch this over to the month, kind of mix it up. You can see this is where things really get interesting. We've had a ginormous increase there. Total miners, let's switch this over to the week. Look at that, just steady, just mobbing it. It'll put us 746. Gotta love that. Top recruiters, Bobby, Jazz, Stefan. Top earners, Chris, Team S, and Joshua. And here's a look at the latest rewards. If we hop on over to my profile, again, you can see just a little while ago we were at 1300 mega hash power. Now we are operating at 1800 hash power. Gotta love it. Kitty, gotta get down. Taking a look here at daily rewards. Percentage was at 0.65 yesterday, dropped down a little bit, 0.63. That is the total percentage of the take. It's going to put me at 1800 hash power. 1 point started at the 995 mining program, and 20,688.77 TXC that I've been rewarding throughout my mining journey. If you guys are interested in starting a mining journey yourself, or maybe just want to learn a little bit more about what we're talking about here, you can hop on over to solo.to/Texit Raider. There's links on my YouTube page, pretty much everywhere. Gotta love it. We've got a Facebook page set up. I do have an X. I got a lot of views there, not too many follows. I'm doing really well on YouTube, so thank you all for taking a look at my channel. You can always join the mining team. You can check out the Facebook group or share somebody a link to the YouTube page. We'll be adding a couple new videos after having our meeting tonight. I noticed there were a few people that had some questions about things, so we're going to work together and get those done. Again, there's Coinbase. CoinMarketCap, Bitmart, DEX-TRADE, Asbit, pretty much anywhere that Texit is being currently traded is on here. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Texit updates. Let's conquer the crypto world together. Thanks for watching. Our mission is the moon, and I'll see you next time on Texit Raider.